to the last day of Summer Blast! I had so much fun this week doing all these super fun crafts with you guys. I also learned so much about God and how we can have confidence because of Jesus. We learned this week that we are known and loved so much by Him. We have 2 final crafts for you guys today, so let's get started.
For our first craft, we are going to be making paper sheep that move. For this craft, you're going to need a piece of construction paper and a straw from your box. And from your house, you're going to need a pair of scissors and a marker.
First, you will need your pair of scissors to cut your paper into around 1-inch strips.
Once you have your strip cut, you are going to fold your strip in half. Once your strip is in half, you're going to unfold it and then fold the ends into the center. Then fold the ends into the center one more time.
Now to make the paper look more like a sheep, you're going to round the edges by cutting them off. Make sure not to cut all the way around the square or else your sheep will fall apart. Now you can unfold it.
On top of the stack of paper, you can draw a smiley face on it or whatever facial expression you want your sheep to have.
While it does look more like a worm, it is in fact a sheep. Once unfolded, the sheep will curve and you can take your straw and blow on the hump. Now your sheep should move.
Whoa, this sheep craft reminds me of our Bible story from today, and how we learned the shepherd would go out, search, and find the lost sheep no matter how far away it was. He loves everyone that way. When you play with your lost sheep, remember that Jesus loves you as much as the shepherd loved his sheep.
The second craft that we'll be doing today is making a telephone out of paper cups. To do this, you will need paper cups, paper clips, and the yarn from your box. From your house, you will need a pin or a tack or something that you can use to poke the bottom of your cup.
The first thing that you will do is take the pin and pierce the bottom of both of your cups in the center.
Next, you're going to take one end of the string and feed it through one of the cups. Now take your paper clip and tie the end of the string around the paper clip inside the cup. Repeat these steps with your other cup and paper clip.
Have you and a sibling, parent, or friend take one cup and you take the other and pull them away from each other until the string is taut. Try going into different rooms and talking into the cups. Clara, have you heard the story of the lost sheep?
Whoa, that's such a cool story. I love that story. Through these cups, you can tell someone what story you learned today. When you tell the story of Jesus and how much He loves them, you are making a difference. Today's craft is a fun way to be confident and tell your family and friends about the lost sheep or about any of the Bible stories you learned this week. Let's say today's bottom line together.
I can have confidence to make a difference. This reminds me of the time over a mission trip one summer when we made a difference at a garden and helped clean it up.
Oh yeah, I remember that. Before we went there, it was covered in weeds and overgrown in many places. After a day of hard work of weeding and planting, the garden had been tidied up. It made the environment look much nicer. This difference was not only in how the garden looked, but it showed people God's love and made a difference in other people's lives. Let's say the bottom line together one more time.
I can have confidence because I can make a difference.
I love this bottom line and all the other ones from this week. I also loved all the crafts we did this week.
Which craft was your favorite?
I liked the one with the sheep because it was cool to see it move on its own.
We had so much fun doing crafts with you this week, and we hope you had a lot of fun too.
Bye!